black beard. I don't know why. I do not have a military background. I am not in a military family, and yet somehow, through growing up with both our parents and the various organizations I was in, I've always come to have had a deep respect for guys in the military, people in that, do firemen, policemen, and it's very disappointing to me to see a lot of that just going to the wayside these days. I can't comprehend in my head how you can have the police brutality, the people attacking police, or not respecting firemen, or any of that stuff. I don't get it. So I'm here because I'm pro-military. I would say that in my head, I feel like I have to kind of promote F3 in a way. Nobody's ever really done it, and there's a lot of F3 guys here, and I'm not saying F3 is the end-all to fitness, but I think that sometimes people don't recognize that F3 kind of borrows a lot heavily from the military tradition, and they have the two sayings, iron sharpens iron, and I am third. So both are kind of speaking to the concept of, leave no man behind, be there for the other guy, and sometimes I think, from watching other stuff, by no means am I the fittest guy out here, and I know there are people out here that are non-F3 that are in way better shape than I am, although I'm better than I was 2 years ago when I started. But I think that what F3 offers that people should really greatly consider if you haven't done it as a guy is the fact that we have the other two Fs, the fellowship and the faith. And I always talk about the fact that, just like this kind of stuff, the guys that have stepped forward, I know when I first started 2 years ago, they had a fund, a GoFundMe for a guy, Freedom, who had cancer. I didn't know who the heck Freedom was, but I donated to it. And, it was amazing the amount of money that they raised for that guy. I know when they had the floods down in Colombia, I think F3 was second behind the Red Cross in giving of time and money to that relief effort. So they stepped forward for that. I think, I see all that happen as far as the fellowship and the camaraderie that you get there. So when we talk about the fact, when you hear people say, oh, you really got to try F3, just keep in mind that that has a very military thing to it where it's not about you, it's about the other guy. And I'm showing up for a workout, not because I want to get up at 5:30 in the morning and sweat and do something I don't like doing, but because I'm there to push and help somebody else. And if you get into that mentality of I'm showing up for gym to help somebody else out because they need help, they need encouragement, F3 is something that I do not think that you get in a CrossFit or a home gym or anything else. So, like I said, it's not about the fitness, it's about the faith and the fellowship. And I hope that we honor the military in doing that. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, brother.